Good morning. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we study the Mathematics Part 1 Linear Equation in two variables. Practice set 1.5. The word problem. The first problem is the two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Then find the numbers. Let us consider the two numbers. One is the smaller number and one is the greater number. Therefore, consider let the greater number is x and smaller number is y and smaller number is y. By given first condition, the first condition is here two numbers differ by 3. Two numbers differ by 3 means the difference of both the number is 3. Then subtract smaller number from greater number. Greater number is x, smaller number is y. Therefore, the x minus y is equal to 3. This is our first equation. Now by given second condition, another equation is written here now. Second condition is the sum of twice of smaller number and thrice of greater number is 19. The sum of means addition. Sum of twice of smaller number. Smaller number is 2y. Sorry, smaller number is y, then twice 2y. And thrice the greater number is x, then its thrice means 3x, and the sum of both these twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number, whose sum is 19. Therefore, write this equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. This is the equation number 2. Then solve this simultaneous equation by equating coefficient method. Now here see the coefficient of y in second equation 2 and in first equation minus 1. Then multiply the first equation by 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 2, then multiply this equation x into 2, 2x minus y into 2, 2y is equal to 3 into 2, 6. This is the equation number 2. Now we see the equation 2 and in equation 3 coefficient of y is 2, 2 and the sign of this is the plus minus. Then therefore the different sign is coefficient of y is different sign. Therefore adding equation 2 and 3. Adding equation 2 and 3. 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. equation 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. Adding 3 plus 2, 5x, 2y get cancelled, 19 plus 6, 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 upon 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, x is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 मध्ये ठेवा. Equation 1 is x minus y is equal to 3. Then 5 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 5. Then minus y is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2. Both the sign are minus, therefore it's y is equal to 2. Therefore the numbers are greater number is 5 and smaller number is 2. Therefore the numbers are 5 and 2. Now solve the second example. Complete the following. Here it is, I am a rectangle, means it is a rectangle. This is the length, opposite side of length 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y, and breadth 2y and x plus 4. We know that here find the value of x and y and find my perimeter and area. म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्या रेक्टँगलचा पेरिमीटर आणि एरिया काढायचा आहे. त्याच्या अगोदर आपल्याला x आणि y फाइंड आउट करावे लागते. We know that opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Rectangle are congruent. Therefore, opposite sides are 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. Now we take both these one side. This is 8 is here, 4x, 2x, left hand to right hand plus 2x, then it is minus 2x, this is minus y, and plus y goes to the right hand side, minus y. 4x minus 8 is equal to 4x minus 2x, and minus y minus 2y. 8, 2, 2, all these numbers are multiple in the 2, therefore divide by 2 both the sides. Divide 2x by 2, 2. Sorry, 2x by 2, x minus 2y by 2 minus y is equal to 8 by 2, 4. Divide like this, 2x by 2 minus 2y by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. 2 get cancelled and 2 4 the 8, means x minus y is equal to 4. This is the first equation. Now similarly 2y is equal to x plus 4. Then take 2y right hand side and 4 left hand side. X, 2y goes to right hand side, minus 2y is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 2. Then solve these two equations. Here coefficient of x is same, therefore, and sign is also same. Therefore subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. X minus y is equal to 4 and and second equation x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Subtracting, they change the sign of second equation. Here plus, minus, minus the plus, minus the plus. X minus x get cancelled. Y minus 1y plus 2y means y. 4 plus 4, 8. Therefore y is equal to 8. Put y is equal to 8 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus y is equal to 4. Therefore x minus 8 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 plus 8. Minus 8 goes to right hand side. Therefore it is plus 8. Therefore x is equal to 12. Therefore the length is equal to length of rectangle is equal to, take any of these, 2x plus y plus 8 or 4x minus y. I take 4x minus y is equal to 4 into 12, x value 12 minus y value 8. Minus 8, 12 4 is 48. Minus 8, 48 minus 8, 40 unit. Length and breadth. Breadth, take any one of these, 2y or x plus 4. Then I take 2y is equal to 2 into 8. Value of y is 8. 2 into 8 means 60 unit. We find the value of x and value of y and find out the length of rectangle, breadth of rectangle. Now find the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Length means it is L and breadth means it is B. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. Then 2 is bracket L, length 40 plus breadth 60. 2 into 56 is equal to 2 into 56 112 unit. It is the perimeter brings, perimeter is 112 units. Then now find area. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. L into D. Length 40 into breadth 60. 16 for 0 the 16. 16 for the 64 square units. Therefore perimeter of rectangle is equal to 112 unit and area is equal to 640 square units. Now the third example, the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, therefore the sum is the 95. Find their present age. Now first of all, let us consider the present age of father's is x years and son's present age is y years. By given first condition, what is the first condition? The sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son. Father's age and twice the son's age. Father's age is x and son's age is y. Then sum of the father's age and twice the son's Twice the sons means twice the y. And sum of both these numbers is 70. This is the equation 1. Now by given second condition, the second condition is if we double the age of father. Now the father's age is double. Father's age is double means father's age x. Then double the x means 2x plus sum of मतलब and add it to the age of his son. Son's age y. 2x plus y, then the sum is 95. Therefore, the second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 95. Then first of all, equate the coefficient of x or y. Then multiply the, for equating coefficient x, then multiply the equation 1 by 2. Equation 1 by 2. X into 2, 2x plus 2y into 2, 4y is equal to 70 into 2, 140. Equation number 3. Then here the equation 2 and 3, coefficient of x is common, 2, 2, and the sign is also same. Therefore, subtract equation 3 from 2. Write these equations like this and change the sign. Minus 2x minus 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 2x minus 2x get cancelled, y minus 4y minus 3y, 95 minus 140, 45 minus 45 minus 45. Therefore, y is equal to minus 45 upon minus 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15 is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus minus plus. Put y is equal to 15 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 70. X plus put y is equal to 15. 2 into 15 is equal to 70. X is equal to x plus 15 to the 30 is equal to 70. Therefore, x is equal to 70 minus 30. X is equal to 40. Therefore, x means father's age and y means son's age. Therefore, the father's present age. Father's present age is equal to 40 years and son's present age is equal to 15 years. Put the value of taking tally here. Put the value of x and 2y. X and y. X 40 plus 2 into 15. 40 plus 30 is equal to 70.